I'm gonna scan the vehicle with this BlueDriver to see what code we have and data, live data and so on. We need to hook up this one here, and you can see check engine light is on, and this is 2004 Toyota Sienna. So we'll open the app. Now this is 2004 Toyota Sienna. Keep this vehicle, read code, check engine light, mileage, continue. Now you can see there are like mass, we got 4 codes: mass or air volume, intake, temperature, P0102, P0113, P2238. Those are the main one, P2241. So 4 codes. So if you look here, you can see the RPM below 500, and the car, it's kind of really in a little bit rough idle. Let's go to live data here, and we'll see what we can read and see. So you can choose more, like if you go here to setting, and you can choose all of those and then delete whatever if it's not necessary, or you can choose the active ones. So so if you choose all here, you see, if you choose all of those ones, and then this is the supported ones you can choose, like engine, those ones, for example, this bank 1 sensor 1, bank sensor 2, and let's see. So I'll choose all the, it's better to choose less than 5. Okay, this is the active ones. So supported, and then go back again, and we'll see. So we got wide range oxygen sensor, bank 2, intake temperature 17 Celsius, vehicle speed, I don't want this vehicle speed, so I'll just click, hold, delete this. So I'll try to avoid some of those so I can read data easily. I'm gonna delete this, delete this, I don't know why it's not working. Okay, let's try to, so the oxygen sensor, engine RPM, you see, way below 5, you don't even, it's like 400, it's below 500. Engine temperature 63 only, because I have a problem with the thermostat. So the thermostat need to be replaced, that's why it says 63. The car has been running more than about 20 minutes. So let's delete this. Okay, let's go here, supported. I'm gonna fuel, calculate engine load, engine temperature, and the engine RPM I don't need, engine speed I don't need, vehicle speed I don't need, this one I don't need, intake temperature I don't need. Okay, so I'll keep those ones for now. Let's see here. Oxygen sensor voltage, oxygen sensor. Okay, let's go back again. Okay, now we got some reading here. This is oxygen sensor bank 2 voltage. If I press on the gas, accelerate, you see bank 1, it's 0 volts. You can see, oh no, you got some reading. RPM is 2000. This is bank 2, bank 1. Now, how about, yeah, this oxygen sensor bank 1. The bank, this one does not read, so I'm gonna delete this. And mass airflow sensor, you can see 12.3 gram per second. Okay, so long-term fuel 8. This one, short-term fuel bank 1. See, it's 0. Here it says 0. Now back to the normal idle. Let's try again. Nothing. Those, they don't change. I don't know why. I'm gonna delete them. I'm gonna remove them so I can read a little bit more better. Let's see if we can see any change on those two numbers. Short-term fuel, short-term bank 1, bank 2. Nothing. So let's delete both of those. Okay, press and hold. 1, 2, both of them gone. I'm just gonna keep the rest. So let's see. Long term. Now, I don't know much about those live data. I'm trying to learn a little bit here and there, but this is what shows long term. When I press on gas 1000, now it's 0. Release the gas and it's 3.1%. Long term on idle 2.3. When I press the gas, become less, 1.6 at 2000 RPM. This is the mass airflow sensor, 1.7 gram per second, and those are the wide range, and so on. So pretty much long term. Yeah, so that's what data is giving me. So as you see, this vehicle starts with one code, but because I've been driving it for about a few weeks now. Now it's giving me almost like this is the save report. 1, 2, 3, 4 codes. Okay, so if you know anything about this, what's going on here, about this data, please write your comment below. Let us know what can cause those issues and codes, or how to troubleshoot, diagnose, and find out where to start. Thank you so much for watching. For now, all the best, and hope to see you next video.